A-Trap Brown, okay, who, the brother, passed away in the past 2 weeks. May his soul rest in peace. He came into the office in East Harlem on Madison Avenue and 111th Street. And we didn't know who he was. And so he very innocently went into the back of the office. So we surrounded him. And we patted him down. We didn't know who he was. When we realized that who we were patting down and who we were like, confronting, we were scared. We were, feeling bad. He was enjoying it. He said, "All right, right on." Okay, he was enjoying it. He was enjoying the fact that we were defending our turf. He was enjoying the fact that we were revolutionaries and behaving as such. Okay, he was enjoying the fact that he saw in us that we were no punks. Somebody was going to come into our office, they better ID themselves, because we were going to have that same attitude towards the pigs if they were to come into the office. It was something, that we experienced it, and I cherish that moment because I learned from it also. I felt vindicated when he was like expressing approval for what we were doing to him.